Setting sa iyong Facebook account profile. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video kong ito at may natutunan ka, please huwag namang kalimutan mag-like, follow, comments, or kung okay lang sa inyo, pakishare naman sa mga kaibigan nyo para naman daming makakita at matuto sa bagong techniques na ito. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Disclaimer, I am not a perfect professional director or photographer. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Dabjar Vlogs. Once again, thank you for watching and effort to watch until the end. Remember,